Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and this video you can probably already tell what it is, and I'm sure you know what it is, that's why you clicked on it. But I'm going to be showing you the best Shein promo codes. Now these Shein promo codes are going to be saving you tons of money, guys. I've been using these for a few months, and they've certainly saved me lots of money, and they've saved my friends and family lots of money. So I thought, why don't I share it with the wider audience on YouTube? It's super easy to actually get these Shein promo codes. You just need to grab your mobile phone, and I'm going to be running through these steps. Okay, so let's start the tutorial on how you can get your Shein promo codes for 2024. As you can see, guys, I've opened up the internet on my mobile phone, and I've got to go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So make sure you type it at exactly like this, guys, wavycoupons.com, because you need to go to this website here, guys, Wavy Coupons. This is an absolutely awesome website. They have tons and tons of different pages. As you can see, you can scroll down and have a browse what they offer. But basically, guys, they specialize in saving you money via pretty much anything you can think of. So you can either scroll down and look for the Shein gift card codes and coupons page. Alternatively, you can go to the search bar at the top of the page here and just type in Shein, and it should pop up this page. So you want to open this page up and scroll down. Now you can see there are a few different codes that you can actually pick between, ranging from obviously the $100 Shein promo code. There is also 50% off your next order code, and a couple of others. So we're interested obviously in the Shein promo code. So you got to click on show coupon, and this is going to pop up, guys, and this is basically the start of your code here. You can see these are protected. Obviously they're pretty valuable codes, so this just prevents someone from basically taking every code that's available. So tap unlock code, and let's start the process of getting our $100 Shein promo code. Okay, so now you're going to see this code unlocker. Basically, guys, pretty self-explanatory. And it says at the bottom here, you will receive your Shein codes once completed. Oops. So you can see we need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and these can range from downloading and playing certain apps to completing free surveys. As I mentioned, they're all completely free, and basically you've just got to select 2 of these and follow the instructions that it states on how to complete them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and complete this survey here, and then I'll download one of these games and I'll just play the game, probably this one, until level 8. So Family Island, that's a legit game. So I'm going to go complete 2 of these. I'll pause the video and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, so I just went ahead and I completed 2 of the tasks on this page. It did take me around 5 minutes, which I know is a bit annoying having to do this, guys, but I think it's worth it considering we're getting a $100 Shein promo code. So I just went ahead and I did this one. Then I played this game here until level 8. So now I've fully completed them. You can press your tabs, and if you followed the instructions, you should now see the Shein coupons tab open up down here. Click on that, and then click on the code you chose. So let's click on that, and there you go. There is my Shein promo code for $100 off my next order. So that has been released. Now I've fully completed these steps. I can copy this, and how do I copy it? There you go, copy that, and I can enter that into the basket or at checkout, and it's going to get $100 off my next Shein order. These codes can only be used once, so I'm going to be using this one shortly. So you need to go ahead to wavycoupons.com, get your Shein code, guys. Search for Shein and just follow the instructions. Pretty easy, and yeah, have a browse if there's anything else on the website that you would benefit from. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.